Good morning, student. Uh, Last class is I have completed the relations. That is the complete the topic is three definitions: reflexive, second one symmetric, and next one is a transitive. So this three definitions completed. Example also completed. Okay, now start this example problems. Okay, right. So uh, all of you see here, right? So here three relation R1, R2 and R3 are defined on a set A equal to A, B, C as follows. Okay, here A equal to A, B, C as follows. So first question, first one, R1 equal this is given that, R2 equal this is, R3 equal this is. Each of R1, R2 and R3 reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We check it. Okay, for example this three, what is this? Reflexive, symmetric, transitive, this three is possible, that is equivalence relation. Okay, right. First one, so first part reflexive, what first one mean? R1. Okay, a comma b, a comma c, b comma b, b comma c, c comma a, C comma D, C comma C. So this is given that. Okay, first one check it, reflexive. Reflexive, what is the reflexive definition? A comma A belongs to A. Okay, that is reflexive relation. So here A comma A, B comma B and C comma C. 3 is possible. A comma A, B comma B, C comma C. 3 is possible. This is belongs R1. That is reflexive. Here A equal to A, B, C 3 given. Okay, that is A comma A, B comma B, C comma C. So remaining leave it. Okay, this is 3 condition belongs to R1. So R is a reflexive on A. Okay, next one symmetric. Symmetric is A comma B belongs R1, B comma A. Second one, here A comma B belongs to R1. Next B comma is there, is not there, is R1. So this is A, B comma A does not belongs to R1. This is definition of the symmetric. See, does not belongs to R1. For example, this is belongs to R1, that is symmetric. So this is here A comma B is there, but B comma is not there. So R1 is not symmetric. Next one is a transitive. Okay, so next one is transitive. Transitive, B comma C belongs R1, B comma C belongs R1, C comma A belongs R1. Here B comma C belongs R1, C comma A belongs R1, but B comma A does not R1. Okay, so R1 is not transitive on A. Here R1 not symmetric, R1 is not transitive, R1 is only reflexive. Okay, this is first one. Second one, A comma B, B comma A comma C, C comma A. So here first one reflexive, A comma B, B comma B, C comma C. Okay, A comma B is there, B comma, next one A comma, here second one A comma A not there, B comma B not there, C comma C not there. So is not reflexive relation on A. Second relation symmetric. Order pair obtained by the interchanging the components of order pair R2. Okay, here see here. Here second one, ordered pair obtained by interchanging the component of order pair R2 are also in R2. So R2 is symmetric relation. Okay. So for example here meaning ordered pair obtained by interchanging. So here see here A comma B, B comma A. Okay. Next A comma C, C comma A is there. This is mean this is possible symmetric condition. Okay, next one. Next one, what is the next one? Next one transitive. Clearly here A comma B belongs R2 and B comma A belongs R2. A comma B, B comma A belongs R2. But A comma A does not belongs to R2. So it is transitive relation. A comma B, B comma A mean transitive relation on R2. Okay. here a comma b comma a belongs, this is symmetric, but here a comma a is not R2. Okay, this is third definition. A comma b belongs R2, b comma a belongs R2 if a comma a possible, that is transitive, but a comma a not possible in R2, so is not symmetric. Okay, so second one complete. Next question here, see here, R3 equal what is the given? A comma b, okay, b comma c, c comma a. Check it the three conditions. So here a comma a, okay, b comma b, c comma c are not in A3. A3, what is the given? A3, a comma b comma c comma a only. Okay, so is not reflexive. Second one, clearly b comma c, okay, b comma c belongs R1, c comma b is not there. Here, see here, a comma b comma c comma a. Third condition, b comma c is there, but c comma b is not there, so this is not symmetric. Okay, b comma c belongs R3, but c comma b does not R3, so R3 is not symmetric. Next, clearly a comma b belongs R3 and b comma c belongs R3, but a comma c, a b b c, then ac is possible, that is transitive, then ac is not possible, R3, so is not transitive. Okay, this is relations. This is three relation possible, that is equivalence relations. So one more question. Show that the relation R on the set A equal to 1, 2, 3 given R equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 is reflexive but either symmetric nor transitive. Here clearly 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This 3 is possible. This is every element of A is belongs to A. Okay. So this is reflexive. Clearly second one, 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 is not there, so is not symmetric. Third one mean 1, here 1, 2 belongs R, 2, 1 does not, no, 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 3 is not there, so is not transitive. Okay, clarity? See here, reflexive definition, every element of A is related to itself. Itself mean A comma A belongs R. This is reflexive. Okay, second definition, what is the second definition? Symmetric. Okay, symmetric mean A comma B belongs R if B comma A belongs R. These two possible is symmetric. Then next transitive. What is the transitive? A comma B belongs R, B comma C belongs R. If A comma C belongs R, this is transitive. Okay, this is three definition depend the questions. Okay, next one more example. Okay, show that the relation R on the set A equal to 1, 2, 3 given R value is symmetric but either reflexive or transitive. Is symmetric. Show that symmetric but not reflexive, not transitive. Clearly here 1, 2, 2, 1 only given. But reflexive condition, every element. What is the reflexive definition? What is the reflexive definition? Then reflexive definition mean if every element of A is related to itself. But here 1, 2 is not itself, 2, 1 is not itself. So is not reflexive. Clarity? Then second one 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 also there. This is symmetric. Next one. Okay, 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 is there, 1, 1 is not there. This is not transitive. Okay, this is example. Okay, next one. This is examples of the three definitions. We have followed this definition and example problem. You are given the textbook questions. Okay, so that first exercise questions you have completed this work. Okay, then this is three definition is completed. Okay, thank you.